Craving the vibrant flavors of India but short on time? Fear not. Discover a treasure trove of easy dinner recipes, Indian perfect for busy weeknights. Indian cuisine offers a wealth of vegetarian and vegan options, making it a great choice for those with dietary restrictions. Additionally, many Indian dishes are one-pot meals, minimizing cleanup and maximizing flavor. Here are some easy Indian dinner recipes that are bursting with flavor and can be prepared in under 30 minutes. 15-minute tadka dal, 20-minute sag paneer, 1 pan aloo gobi, 30-minute chicken biryani. 10-minute jeera rice, 15-minute eggplant bharta, 20-minute chana masala, chickpea curry, 1 pan tandoori tofu, 30-minute coconut curry with vegetables, 10-minute masala dosa. Stock your pantry with essential spices, embrace the bean power of lentils, and prep like a pro with the mise en place technique. Frozen chopped vegetables can be a lifesaver, and leftovers can be transformed into new meals. With a well-stocked pantry, a few handy techniques, and a dash of creativity, you can conquer the kitchen and create delicious Indian meals in no time. Visit www.dailynecessities.in for more details.